I got PS5 Scuf controller and the customer said the right stick have some issue. So in this video, I will try to fix the right stick. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. First, let's try to test it on gamepad tester. So first I will test the left stick, and as you can see guys, the left stick look like perfect. And as you can see on the right side, the up and the right is up down is not working, and left right is not look like also it's not working good. So we have issue on the right stick. So let's open it and fix it. We have 4 screws, one here, second one here, and one here, the last one here. So let's open it. This is the first. Second. This is the third one, and the last one here. They have one screw here. They have 5 ribbon cable. I need to open them. First here, second, third, 4, and the last one here. So I need to work on this area. Everything looks like perfect, so let's return all the part back and test. Let's test it before ship it back to the customer. And as you can see guys, the right stick is fixed and it's like perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.